Connecting the red and green wires at the thermostat forces the system fan to run by supplying power to the fan relay. When you join the red wire and the green wire at the thermostat, you are completing the 24-volt control circuit that signals the blower fan relay in the air handler to energize. This is a direct connection between the transformer hot lead and the fan call input, so it bypasses the thermostat logic and tells the system to run the fan independently of heating or cooling calls. To do this safely, first turn off power at the furnace or air handler switch and confirm power is off with a non-contact voltage tester. Then loosen the terminal screws, wrap the stripped ends of the red and green conductors together, and resecure under one terminal or use a small wire nut that fits, and restore power to test. If you are using a programmable thermostat or smart control, understand that some models have electronic isolation or board routing that prevents a simple short from working and may require configuration change or a fan-only setting instead. For systems with a separate 24-volt fan relay outside the thermostat wiring path, you may need to jumper at the relay or control board rather than at the thermostat to achieve continuous fan operation. Always avoid splicing the common wire when doing this. The common wire is the transformer's return and must remain undisturbed for reliable control. Common mistakes include shorting the wrong wires and creating a transformer overload, which you avoid by verifying wire colors and using a meter to confirm 24 volts before connecting. Another frequent issue is leaving the fan running and forgetting energy impact, so set reminders or use the thermostat fan function if available rather than a permanent jumper to prevent unnecessary runtime. A third problem is assuming every system responds the same way. Systems with separate fan controls, variable speed blowers, or electronic control boards may not accept a simple red to green jumper, so consult the equipment manual or jumper at the control board following the schematic on the panel. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and gives contractors a place to find new work and leads. We also host a discussion community where users and pros share real-world tips, wiring photos, and troubleshooting steps so everyone can learn from practical experience.